likely. West winds 10 to 15 knots, becoming north after midnight. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Rain likely, mainly in the evening. Winds and seas higher and in near thunderstorms. The coastal waters forecast from Little Lake Inlet, New Jersey to Cape May, New Jersey, about 20 nautical miles.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, Kent County in central Delaware, northern Sussex County in southern Delaware, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:36 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing areas of damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along the line extending from near Hartley to near Harrington to Bridgeville and moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Penny-size hail may also accompany the damaging winds. Locations impacted include Dover, Georgetown, Smyrna, Milford, Seaford, Harrington, Camden, Clayton, Lewis, Middletown, Bridgeville, Cheswold, Ellendale, Fowers, Woodside, Viola, Hartley, Andrewsville, Delaney Corner, and Rising Sunshine. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, large hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties: in Delaware, Kent, Newcastle, and Sussex. This is NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards for the Delaware Valley. Station KIH 28 from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz.
The current time is 6:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
At 6 p.m. at the Philadelphia International Airport, it was partly sunny.